Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on the notification, give a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to be using a small journal with stickers. We're going to make a small journal, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to open this cute B221 book, open it up. It's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, I'm gonna be flipping my camera over here. See this little cute book. Okay, I'm gonna be getting stickers with tweezers. So that's really satisfying, so yeah. Hold up. Wait, I'm gonna be... Okay, I got the sticker. Okay. Okay, it's sticking, right? Oh no. There. Okay. It's gonna be sticking. Go over. Okay, I'm just gonna flip my camera. Okay, guys. So here's my journal, a small journal. See, and then we're gonna place it. Okay, I put it. It's too big. Okay, I'm gonna get this small one. Okay, here's the stickers. And I'm gonna be using this next page, which is okay, got the sticker out, there's the tweezers. Take it out. Okay, now we get the last one. It is so satisfying. Okay, I cut it out. Now I'm gonna stick it. Okay, we're done. I'm done with the journal sticking. You guys love it. Make sure to see more videos next time. Bye.